You may know Andrew Tate from podcast features, from going against the Matrix, and having Hustlers University, a digital product that makes him over $10 million a month. That's what I've heard, at least. I've never actually dove into the research there, but I believe it. He's super famous, and the nature of digital products allows them to scale quite seamlessly. But in today's video, what I want to do is show you something different that you probably didn't know about. It's Andrew Tate's supplement brand. He has an e-commerce store that a lot of people don't know about, and it actually gets a pretty massive amount of traffic. So it goes to show just how popular Andrew Tate really is and how much of an impact he has from an economic perspective, even on an e-commerce store, which again is not as scalable as a digital product necessarily, because physical products need to be stocked up. But as you see here, this is the store. It's called topg.com, which is pretty funny actually, and it gets over 700,000 monthly visitors. Now, keep in mind, Andrew Tate is not even close to the peak of his popularity right now. Like a year ago, before he went to jail, he was definitely, one of the most popular people out there on the internet, and this wasn't around then. But now it is, yet he's still having such a massive impact and is able to drive so much traffic to a product like this. Now, the reason I want to show you this in particular is not just to talk about Andrew Tate here, but it's mainly to show you the power of a personal brand on a physical product. And also, I actually think he did a great job here. I'm not going to lie. I think his team really killed it when it comes to the product design, the branding, and ultimately the idea behind the product. That's really what I want to dive into here, because I think it's replicable. I don't think this is exclusively for Andrew Tate. I think anybody could take this premise and apply it to a mass market product. So I hope one of you watching this actually does that and then, reaches out to me to help scale it, since actually we've scaled multiple supplement brands, 10x from 50K a month to 500K a month. And now we work with some that are doing multiple $1 million a month. So somehow supplements became a little bit of our bread and butter in a way. But ultimately, this is what it is, right? It's called Fireblood. And what it is an all-in-one formula for working out, okay? So it helps you have a better workout, recover faster, and reach peak physical and mental performance. That's the premise and pitch behind it. But here's what I like about it. It's that there's no additives at all. There's no flavor. There's no, additives. So it just literally is a supplement, but he's been able to market that and make it fit his personal brand, right? So here's what he says. We've stripped away the unnecessary, leaving you with a supplement as unyielding as your ambition. The taste may be tough, but so are you. It's a daily ritual that toughens the spirit and forges a warrior's resolve. So he was able to take the fact that if you don't add anything to the supplement, it's going to taste bad, and make it into something good, actually. Like, you want the supplement to taste bad because it means that it's clean. And I just thought that was really brilliant, obviously because of his personal brand, but just as a whole, I really do think that that concept could reach a very mass market appeal, because I think people are starting to wake up to the fact that everything that we consume has preservatives, additives, and things that are actually really harmful for you, or that at the very least, we don't know the effect that it's having on our bodies, right? So I think a lot of people are opting out of the traditional system of consumption and trying to really think deeply about the products they're consuming and trying to have, eat better basically and consume better supplements, cleaner supplements. So that's, a great marketing angle. And I think just positioning it as like the taste may be rough, but that's what makes it good. That's what actually makes it a clean product. I just think that's brilliant. So as he says here, he kind of continues on that point. It tastes disgusting because it's good for you. So basically exactly what I'm saying here. Now, obviously Andrew Tate is pretty sensational in his takes. He's like, call 1-800-DON'T-BE-GAY. It's just his marketing tactics. It's just his personal brand. But, it's just part of his premise. He's a bit of a troll, and, it's all in good fun in a way. But again, what I'm really here to show you is the idea and the premise, because I think it's replicable. and, just overall talk about personal branding like we've been doing. But here's a really great funnel. This is actually genius. It's funny. He must have a great team behind this because this is no amateur e-commerce store. He's been able to create a fire bundle here, basically, a fire blood bundle that allows people to get a higher average order value. So why do you want a higher average order value? Well, obviously because you're going to make more money. But not just that, having a higher average order value allows you to spend more money on advertising, pushing the product. Now, that's one of the powerful things about Andrew Tate is that he actually doesn't need to spend any money on advertising because of his reach. But this is a brilliant way to set it up, right? So if you buy a one-time purchase, it's $2 per serving, so less than a cup of coffee, $68 total. But if you buy a single subscription, you actually get almost $10 off, which makes the price per serving under $2. And then the best value is if you buy a double subscription. So you buy two, which is $114 a month, and now the serving is $1.9. which is pretty cheap, right? Compared to, the one-time purchase, that's pretty great. And this is just a brilliant way to set up your product, especially if you have a one product store. If people buy more or if they subscribe, then give them an incentive to do so. Treat them right. This is how you make your money, right? This is what people that are beginners in e-commerce don't understand. They're solely focused on this one-time purchase and completely neglect this right here, which is what happens after the customer purchases, getting them to purchase again, getting them to purchase more. This is how you make real money in e-commerce, not by doing this. This is the people that just do this and focus on this are the people that are breaking even on their stores, maybe making 5% profit margins at the end of all the costs. But the people that are pulling in 30% margins, even 40% margins at scale, are the ones that are really doing this well right here, focusing on the back end of the business, on the customer lifetime value, and just really pushing for people to buy more and to buy more often. That's really the key. And this is actually a very well-designed landing page. It's not skimped out at all. They really go hard at, pointing out the benefits in a very simple way. Heightened energy, rapid recovery, immune function, muscle development. It sounds like the perfect supplement, right? And then you can kind of continue to go down. There's some testimonials, which is really great. And then there's some science behind it, science behind the ingredients. I actually love that. I think that's really powerful, especially in the world of supplements where there's so much sus stuff. Like, you don't know which supplement is real or fake. Most people are probably just making baseless claims about their supplements. So it really is powerful to explain the ingredients. As you see, this is a really long landing page. They definitely went above and beyond. They didn't do the bare minimum. And that's why it's so successful. I think that's just a great lesson overall. And I'm really impressed by it. So I really wanted to show it to you. I told you that I would. And here we are. So hopefully you enjoyed this. I thought this story was pretty inspiring. And I think this idea can span much bigger than Andrew Tate himself even. I think if somebody were to take this premise of, just super clean, tastes bad, but that's because it's good, super transparent supplement brand, I think that could go extremely far. So shout out to anybody building supplement brands out there. Again, if you already have a store that's doing pretty good and you want to scale it to, 10x what you're doing right now, make sure you reach out to the Ecommerce team. That's my business, or one of my businesses rather, but one of my most important businesses because it's really a growth engine for a lot of brands out there. I'm super happy about it because we're able to literally help business owners accomplish their goals and reach more people, grow their business, and change their lives. It's really cool. So that's about it. Peace.